Alright guys, welcome to Math with Big Ben. Please, if this is your first time, in this very page, I would love you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Okay, now we are asked to solve this very question and we are asked to evaluate the value of x. Okay, now let's go. The first thing to do here is to put down your solution confidently and your answer would come. So we are given this guide to obtain the value of x, and if you observe critically, you will see that you observe that x is hidden inside there. So we are going to do everything to disengage every bracket that is surrounding x. Okay. Now, how do we get to do that? If you observe here we have it to the power 3. So we are going to take the cube root of both sides. Now let's go. This becomes, by taking the cube root of both sides, I write the question again. I have the square root of 16 over 25 power 4x minus 9 raised to the power of 3 here is equal to 64 over 125. Now I want to take the cube root of both sides. I can equally do that by multiplying both squares, that is the powers, by 1 over 3 times 1 over 3 here, then multiply by 1 over 3. So this 3 here can cancel this 3. So now I now have, without this bracket, I have it now to be the square root of 16 divided by 25. This way, then all power 4x here minus 9, which is now equal to 64 divided by 125 raised to the power of 1 over 3. This way. So now what next? Now let's proceed, guys. So this guy now becomes, I have to evaluate the bracket first. Now the square root of 16 here is 4 over the square root of 25 is 5 raised to the power of 4x minus 9 equals, now you see on the right hand side, now I have 64 divided by 125. I will have to express this guy here in an index form to be able to raise them to the power of 3, so it can cancel this 1 over 3 here on the power. So here becomes, here I can have it to be 4 raised to the power of 3 in an index form, which is 64 divided by 5 raised to the power of 3 in an index form, which is 125 1 over 3. Okay, now let's move on, guys. So finally I have it to be 4 over 5 raised to the power of 4x minus 9 on the left hand side, which is now equal to, now according to the law of indices, I have here to be 4 raised to the power of 3, here to be 5 raised to the power of 3. I can factor out this 3, I can bring it out to become 4 raised to the power of 4 over 5 here raised to the power of 3, then multiply by 1 over 3 times 1 divided by 3. Alright, so now I now have it to be 4 here divided by 5 power 4x here minus 9, which is equal to 4 divided by 5 power, this cancel this, I have it to be 1. Yeah, 1. So finally now they have the same base. So I have the right to cancel their bases and equate their power, which is 4x here minus 9 equals to 1. So I have here to collect like terms. If I collect like terms here, I have here to be 4x, which is equals to 1, then plus 9. So here 4x here equals to 10. Dividing both sides by the coefficient of 4, which is of x, which is 4, I have it to be x here, which is equals to 10 divided by 4. So 2 here, 5, 2 here, 2. Finally, x is equals to 5 over 2. Or we can leave it as 2 whole number 1 divided by 2. So guys, I hope this question meets you very well. So you should be expecting this kind of question, both in WAEC and in Jamb. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.